Hello, I'm Tonnex Kenga. I'm an ECDE facilitator and also farm manager here at Elimu and Elimu Familia Stawi. My day starts at 7:30 a.m. Usually when I come to the center, I come direct to the backyard. At the backyard, there's a farm that I usually manage. I usually water the plants around here, water the flowers, and I make sure that the garden is all set. And then I go back to the office so that I can prepare for the sessions that we usually have as Elimu Familia Stawi. Yeah, the sessions I usually prepare mostly for the kids that we usually have them at the sessions. Yeah, so we prepare for the lessons and also we prepare for the lesson for the parents, because we usually have a conclusive sessions, both the parents and the kids. So after we have gone to the field, we play, because we usually teach with play-based learning method. So after we have done the play-based learning with the kids, I come back to the center so that I can fill in the database and round up the day by coming to the backyard and watering the plants. My day usually ends up between 5 and 6.